What are the achievements of Ukrainian military aviation? Ukrainian war pilots have been gaining real fighting experience since the beginning of the anti-terrorist operation. Although the information about the battling air forces during the first month of the unannounced war has been classified, it was Ukrainian war pilots who covered the positions of Ukrainian soldiers, providing with air support and drawing off the strikes of the enemy's missiles. The first mass takeoff of Ukrainian war pilots took place during the siege of the Donetsk airport, where Ukrainian planes and helicopters played a key role in the operation. In the spring of 2014, it seemed the anti-terrorist operation was about to end up in a few weeks. All of a sudden, the militants started attacking back with portable air defense and missile systems. This is when Ukrainian armed forces recognized the so-called separatists are Russian-backed. During the first 4 months of ATO, Ukraine lost 10 helicopters, 8 planes and 89 people. The catastrophe with the biggest number of victims happened in June 2014, when Russian-backed separatist forces downed Ukrainian aircraft Il-76 in Luhansk region. There were 58 people on board, among them 49 paratroopers and 9 crew members. All of them died. Since September 2014, Ukrainian military air forces do not fly over the conflict region where the anti-terrorist operation is being unfolded. The 40th Brigade of Ukraine's tactical air forces has also suffered from the enemy's attacks, when one of the planes was shot from a Buk missile system above the village of Snizhne in Donetsk region. Since then, the command say they have gained a good deal of strength and military capacities during the training raids.
We have increased the number of raids as well as the frequency. A war pilot must not make regular breaks in flying. Earlier, we organized the flights once in 2 weeks.
Military air forces require huge money investment. According to the commandment, dozens of tons of fuel are needed to conduct one seance of training. For instance, to fully supply the tank of a medium-sized fighter MiG-29, more than 4 tons of fuel are required. When there is no chance to take off to the open sky, the militaries train on special training simulators. This one is currently set to imitate the pursuit of an imaginary Russian transport plane.
If the aimed object does not show a single sign of reaction and warning, military headquarters command may allow the pilot to make a preventive shot.
Virtual enemy does not respond to numerous warnings. That is why the plane is attacked. Currently, using the air forces in battling the attackers in the ATO zone is forbidden by the Minsk agreement. The leaders of the occupied territories in turn insist they are ready to lead their air forces to the battlefield. Ukrainian pilots answer they cannot wait to encounter the enemy, preferably aiming point blank.